Waking up every day with your very own private beach overlooking the Dubai Marina skyline, that's what you can get in the latest project by EMAAR, the Beachfront. The developers who built Burj Khalifa, who built downtown, who built Dubai Marina, now you have a chance to own your property for just 1.3 million dirhams. Hey guys, today we are on a site visit to the EMAAR's Beachfront, and as you can see right behind me, that's the marina skyline, and over here you have the Palm Jumeirah, and right over there, it's too hazy, I know that you can't see, but you have the Blue Waters Island. So we'll show you a better view from inside. They have 1 to 4 bedroom apartments, starting price around 1.3. So enjoy this video tour. We are here now in Sunrise Bay, and that's the view from the Palm Jumeirah side. Right behind me you have Marina Vista and South Beach, which was the latest holiday home project by EMAAR. So you won't only have your very own private beach, you'll have 2 parks, you'll have an Edge Infinity swimming pool overlooking the Dubai Marina. You will have more than 14,000 square foot of retail. The developer who built Burj Khalifa, who built downtown, who built the Dubai Marina, now are building their very first beachfront development, the EMAAR Beachfront. So if you need more information about this project, please, I'll leave my contact details below and I'll gladly assist you.